Good morning. I am Phoenix Mayor Kate Gallego. We are at Harmon Park, south of downtown, for our first partnership event with Maricopa County to vaccinate South and Central Phoenix residents. Today is our first event that is open to our residents over 55 in partnership with Maricopa County. I want to thank the University of Arizona, who has been an amazing partner on this event, as well as Phoenix Revitalization Corporation that helped us develop this event and do the outreach. We hope to vaccinate 300 Phoenix residents today and 2,500 at this pop-up site. We've had people going door to door to sign up our residents, doing flyering and great partnership with our nonprofits. We are in a part of a city where many of our residents do not have a car or access to high-speed internet. They were able to sign up for this event by phone. We're hoping to advance our agenda of giving everyone access to a vaccine. We know the key to being able to safely take off these masks is to be able to get our population vaccinated, and we want everyone to have access. We hope this event addresses some of the challenges with the larger mega sites where high-speed internet and an access to car makes it easier to get that shot in the arm. Our residents can walk up or drive up to this event. Thank you so much to all of the partners who have made it possible, including Maricopa County. We are in Supervisor Steve Gallardo's district. He has been a huge champion for access to testing and vaccination for our entire community, really pushing for equity, and I am excited to introduce Supervisor Gallardo and welcome him to the microphones.
Thank you, Mayor. Real quickly, for the record, Maricopa County Supervisor, District 5 Southwest portion of Maricopa County, Steve Gallardo, Gallardo. First of all, I want to thank Mayor Gallegos and the City of Phoenix for everything they've done since day one of this pandemic. They have been true leaders throughout the state of Arizona, leading the effort and making sure we have proper mitigations, making sure that the people of Maricopa, or the City of Phoenix and within Maricopa County are safe, that they are making sure that folks are briefed with proper information, a lot of misinformation about the pandemic and COVID and the vaccine, making sure the proper information is out there. They have just been true champions. I also want to thank University of Arizona for their partnership. They have been partners in many of these types of vaccination spots, and they have just done a great job. Folks, we are right in the middle of the vaccination period. We started this back in December with our medical staff and high-risk populations. Now we're opening it up to more and more folks. The one thing that we learned in this pandemic was the inequities in many parts of our cities and our county and our state. We are now filling in those gaps. We need to make sure that every resident throughout the City of Phoenix and throughout Maricopa County has the opportunity to get vaccinated. What you're seeing right behind us are folks that ordinarily wouldn't be able to set an appointment because of barriers that are put in place because of their social economic status, just the fact of lack of transportation, for many, many reasons. This particular site allows them to walk in and get vaccinated. This is something that has not been done so far in Maricopa County, one of our first. You're going to see many, many of these sites throughout the City of Phoenix and throughout Maricopa as we start getting more and more vaccines available and brought in. We're waiting for Johnson & Johnson to have their vaccination being brought in. We're waiting for additional vaccines from both Pfizer and Moderna to be coming in, and you're going to see many, many more of these types of pop-up sites to allow folks to walk in, to try to eliminate the barriers, and to make these vaccinations more accessible. I want to once again thank the mayor in all she has done since day one. Many of you remember, since day one, has been a leader in making sure proper mitigations were put in place. She has saved lives in the City of Phoenix. She has been just a true champion in this effort. We also want to encourage folks, we're not out of the woods yet. I know everyone is anxious to get back to some type of normalism, We got to remember to continue to wear our masks, continue to social distance, continue to wash our hands, use hand sanitizer. We need to make sure these proper mitigations are still in place. Yes, we want to try to slowly get back into our regular daily lives, but we have to keep in mind, we're not out of the woods yet. There's light at the end of the tunnel, folks. There's light at the end of the tunnel. We're almost there. Let's continue to work together. Let's continue to have the proper mitigations, and we will get through this together.